Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to unlock iCloud locked iPhone, or if you forgot the Apple ID or password, so how can you unlock an iPhone. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now first of all, just go to the application of Find My. Like, this is the application that you need to find inside the iPhone. Now you can find the application inside the second iPhone where you have used the same Apple ID, or you can just use your MacBook to open the Find My application. And once you open the Find My application, make sure that you have used the same, the iCloud into the other device or your MacBook as well. And after that, you will be able to do it. If you do not have done this process, you have the one iCloud in multiple devices. So if you don't have it, you won't be able to recover your device, unfortunately. So in that case, you will need to recover. You will need to contact the Apple, and they will be able to help you. But otherwise, for me, let's say we talk about, just go to the Find My application. And once you open the Find My application, so inside the devices section, so you will see all the list of the devices that have been added. Now this is the current iPhone that I am using, but let's say that this is my second device whose password I forgot and I want to remove it. Just click on this device, and once you click on this device, just scroll down, and at the end you will see these two options: either erase this iPhone or remove this iPhone. So from this option, just click on erase this iPhone. And once you click on erase this iPhone, so all the data and all the Apple ID, all the iCloud will be removed from the Apple account, or you can say the iPhone, which has been linked to the same Apple ID. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now, unfortunately, if you don't have the Apple ID linked to another iPhone or inside your MacBook, so you can just contact the Apple, so they will be able to help you. That is the only solution. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.